Okay, in this video we're going to learn why the sum of the angles of the interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So when we add up all the angles in a triangle, we always get 180 degrees. Okay, now what I've done here is I've made three identical triangles, right? So I just copied these three triangles. They're all the same. They're all exactly the same. They're congruent. And I labeled all the angles. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. They're all the same. Now what happens if I take each one of these and I line them up next to each other? So let's see if I take angle, start with the yellow one, put it over here, and there's my angle A. You can see angle A is right here. That's angle A. Now let's take the next triangle and let's position it so that angle, let's rotate it so that angle C is right next to angle, well, let's put B. That fits better, like that. So now we have B and A next to each other, like that. There you go. So if you look now, we have angle B and angle A together, like this. Now let's put angle C next to it. So we have A, B, and C. Let's put C next to it like this, and rotate that around like that, and put it over here. And what happens when we put them all together? When we put them all together like that, we get 180 degrees. This is half a circle here, half a circle. I can draw a better circle, maybe like this. And you'll see that it's half a circle. There you go, okay? And there you have the three angles add up to 180. This is one way you can do it. Now you can take any triangle and do this, and it will always work for any triangle. Now there's another way you can do this. Let's pretend we have let's draw two parallel lines like that. Now let's draw a triangle. So these two lines are parallel, that you can tell by the arrows here. And now let's draw a line like this, and then another line like this. But let's make sure it intersects right there, like that. Okay, so let's call this angle A, call this one angle B, call this one angle C. And we have to show that A, B, and C are, sum of A, B, and C is 180. We have to show A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle has to add up to 180. Okay, now let's notice a couple of things here. Here I have a angle B. This is angle B over here. Now I know that whenever I have an X like this and have an X like this angle is B, but this one is also B. Whatever angle this is, that's also going to be B. These two angles are congruent. This is B and this is also B, and they look the same, right? And this relationship is called, they're vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are congruent. So that's what we use here to show that this B and these two angles B and B are the same. And now I look at angle C over here. Let's look at angle C over here, and notice that this angle and this angle, well, they're the same. They look the same, and they are the same, and there's a reason for that. Since the two lines are parallel, these are the same. This relationship is called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. Now, if I look at angle A, I can say the same thing here. This angle and this angle, they're corresponding. Imagine this line is not there. Imagine this line's not there. A here and A here, those are the same. Those are called corresponding angles, like this. So this is also A. Let's put the line back. Put it back. It goes over here, like that. So this is angle A, well, so is this. So this is angle A, and what do you notice now? Well, when you add up A, B, and C, what does it make? What do you have here? You have a straight angle. These three angles together make 180 degrees. So we have corresponding angles again for A and A. C and C are corresponding angles. B and B are vertically opposite angles. And when we add up A plus B plus C, it makes a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So here we have two ways of showing that the sum of the angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. We can show it like this, and we can show it like this.